With DesignoPro 2.0 Developer Bundle, you get developer's license and design source files. One-click image curation 100% automated. All of a low one-time fee. Built-in image curation with Pixabay. You're also getting access to push-button curation from Pixabay, which means all you have to do is insert your keyword and have literally thousands of relevant images pop up on your screen, which you can add with a click of a button to your DesignoPro 2.0 account. These images come with all the rights and licenses too, so there's no way for you to get in any legal trouble. Developer's license. Finally, with our developer bundle upgrade, you're also getting developer's license to the powerful, unique DesignoPro 2.0 app. This means, get this, that you're able to sell any designs you create to your clients, offline businesses, or even start a graphics service on sites like Fiverr. People pay hundreds for the kind of graphics you can create with just a few clicks inside DesignoPro 2.0. So this can become a very profitable business for you, especially considering how unique and powerful our designs are. You also get source files to all the designs, so you can use them anywhere you want. No monthly fees. That's right, with our DesignoPro Developers Bundle you can get all these amazing features with a one-time affordable purchase and 0 monthly fees. That means you can get access to the DesignoPro Curation module that lets you insert a keyword and with the push of a button find millions of targeted high-quality images and graphics that engage your audience and convert. And that means you're also getting access to our developer's license that allows you to create graphics for clients or sell them as a service on sites like Fiverr. And finally, you're getting access to all our DesignoPro source files, so you can use them in any video or graphics app you want. You can clearly see how all these features truly take DesignoPro 2.0 to the next level, and it's all with 0 monthly fees. Take action now, claim our DesignoPro 2.0 developer bundle, and enjoy creating superior graphics starting